Okay guys, we got a 2011 Acura MDX. I'm going to show you how to do the oil life reset. This is the procedure that you want to do after doing your oil change, of course. So we're going to start by putting your key to that second position. It's the on position. And then we'll let the dash do that. And we're going to use these buttons right here. So this is going to cycle us through the trip computer, all that fun stuff. We want to take it down to oil life, which we were just at. So once we get there, we're going to go to the select reset button and we're just going to hold it. So hold it down. Usually takes about 10 seconds. And then right there, would you like to reset it? We're going to say yes by using these two options here. Scroll up and press OK with the reset button. And there it is, 100% oil life. I hope this helped, guys. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.